If you don't know how to build power, then this video is for you. In this video, I have covered every important thing that will help an athlete build power, enhancing their performance. This video also includes powerful concepts like plyometrics and progressive overload. Many athletes build power up to a certain level, but then their progress stops. The solution to this problem is the concept of progressive overload, which I have explained in detail. This video is designed from basic to advanced level so that you can understand the methods of building power and take your training to the next level. And yes, to cover even deeper aspects of power building, another video on this topic will be released focusing on just one thing: building power. If you understand this video well, you won't face any problems in the next video when it comes to power building. So let's get started. Power means how quickly you apply force. Simply put, when you sprint or lift something heavy, you apply force using your muscles. The speed at which this force is applied is what defines power. Power is crucial because it is a combination of strength and speed. If you are strong but cannot apply your strength quickly, your performance will not improve. Similarly, if you are fast but lack strength, you won't be able to convert that speed into maximum performance. These two factors, strength and speed, combine to create power. When you train both effectively, you can enhance your overall performance, whether it's sprinting, jumping, or weightlifting. So developing power means increasing your ability to apply force quickly and efficiently. And when these two aspects, strength and speed, work together perfectly, you achieve your full potential. When we talk about power, the first essential factor is strength. Building strength is the foundation of power development. Think of it this way: if you don't have proper strength, you won't be able to control your body effectively, and your performance in explosive movements like sprinting, jumping, or heavy lifting will be limited. The role of strength is to enable your muscles to apply more force. When you strengthen your muscles, you are training them to generate more force. And when this force increases, you can execute explosive movements more efficient. For example, if you are a sprinter, you need rapid acceleration. If your legs are not strong, you won't be able to generate speed, and your acceleration will be slower. Strength plays a key role in every explosive movement you perform, whether it's sprinting, box jumps, or weightlifting. Strength training helps activate your muscle fibers more efficiently. When these fibers work effectively, your body becomes better at generating explosive force. This means building a foundation of strength helps in power development. If you ignore the building blocks of strength, you won't be able to take full advantage of explosive training. That's why training strength first is crucial. Building strength is an essential step in power development. Plyometric training. Plyometric exercises are crucial for enhancing power. These exercises train your muscles to generate explosive energy. The main goal of plyometrics is to develop fast, explosive movements. When you perform plyometric exercises like box jumps, depth jumps, or squat jumps, your muscles work through quick stretching and contraction. This movement activates your body's fast twitch muscle fibers, which boost your performance in high-intensity efforts. Plyometric training also helps improve agility and coordination. For example, box jumps increase lower body strength, while depth jumps enhance explosiveness and reactive power. These exercises make your body more powerful, improving acceleration and sprinting performance. When you include plyometric training in your routine, your muscle fibers are trained to generate maximum force in minimum time, which is the essence of power training. Importance of speed. If you want to enhance power, speed training is just as essential. Focusing only on strength and plyometrics is not enough because power is maximized when you apply force with speed. The main purpose of speed training is to effectively utilize your explosive power. When you sprint, your muscles generate maximum force in a short time, which is a key element of power. If your speed is not well developed, your power will also remain limited. Sprinting and acceleration drills train your nervous system to make your muscles fire faster and more efficient. Exercises like resisted sprints, sled pushes, and hill sprints improve your force application. These drills help develop explosive acceleration and high-speed movements. If you are an athlete, whether a sprinter, footballer, or basketball player, you cannot afford to ignore speed training. The faster you can apply force, the greater your power will be. That's why speed should be an essential part of your training to take your power development to the next level. Multidimensional training for power. Power training is not limited to just one type of exercise. If you want to develop power effectively, you need to combine strength, speed, and explosiveness in your training program. Strength is your foundation, giving you the ability to generate maximum force. But having strength alone is not enough for explosive movements. This is where speed and explosiveness come into play. Speed training makes your movements faster and more efficient, while plyometric exercises like box jumps and depth jumps prepare your muscles to generate explosive energy. When all three components, strength, speed, and explosiveness, work together, only then can you develop maximum power. A well-balanced power training routine should include compound lifts like squats and deadlifts, along with sprints and plyometric drills. Each component complements the other, helping your body to generate explosive force. When you sprint, you train your muscles to work with maximum speed and efficiency. These drills activate your fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for short-duration, high-intensity movements. Resistance sprints, such as sled pushes or hill sprints, make your force application even more powerful. These exercises help you improve acceleration and stride efficiency, which are essential for both speed and power. The goal of speed training is to convert your maximum power output into fast movements. When your speed and strength work together, you achieve peak performance. That's why incorporating speed drills into your training routine is essential for power development. Recovery. Recovery after power training is an essential process that is necessary for your performance and progress. When you perform high-intensity exercises like strength training, plyometrics, and sprinting, microscopic tears occur in your muscles. These tears need proper recovery to repair and rebuild. During recovery, your muscles and nervous system repair themselves and become stronger and more efficient. Ignoring recovery increases the risk of overtraining, which can lead to fatigue, injury, and a decline in performance. For recovery, adequate sleep, proper nutrition, and stretching exercises are crucial. Protein intake helps with muscle repair, and hydration optimizes your body's functions. Active recovery, like light jogging or stretching, improves blood circulation, helping flush out toxins and relax muscle. When you make recovery an important part of your training routine, you can consistently improve your performance. Therefore, focusing on recovery alongside training is equally important. Progressive overload. Following the concept of progressive overload is crucial when building power. It means you need to gradually increase the intensity of your training so that your muscles and nervous system continuously adapt and become stronger and more powerful. The main principle of progressive overload is to gradually increase resistance, weight, or intensity. If you keep training at the same intensity, your muscles will eventually adapt and your progress will plateau. You can apply progressive overload by increasing the weight in strength exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench press. In plyometric exercises, you can increase the volume or height, and in sprint drills, you can gradually increase the resistance or distance. This process provides new challenges to the muscles, forcing them to adapt and generate more force and explosiveness. However, it is important to ensure that the implementation of progressive overload is steady to avoid overtraining and injuries. If you maintain regular progression, you will consistently see improvements in every aspect of power training. Exercise variations. Every athlete's body is different, which is why it's important to incorporate exercise variations in power training. These variations not only provide new challenges for your muscles, but also make your training more balanced and effective. Resistance training exercises like squats, deadlifts, and weighted lunges help improve your strength. These exercises form the foundation for your overall force production. Explosive jumps like box jumps, like broad jumps, and depth jumps target your explosive power. They activate your fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for short-duration, high-intensity movements. Sprinting drills like resisted sprints, hill sprints, and interval sprints boost your speed and acceleration. These drills prepare you for real-world movements and help you effectively utilize your power. Another benefit of exercise variations is that they reduce the risk of overuse injuries and prevent you from falling into a monotonous routine. Every athlete has different strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to have variety in your training plan to efficiently achieve your specific goals. You can use specific tests to measure your power level, such as the vertical jump test and sprint time trial. These tests provide a practical way to assess the impact of your training and how much improvement is happening in your performance. Vertical jump test. This test measures your lower body power. You use a chalk marker or a device to record your jump height. The higher you jump, the stronger your explosive power is. Sprint time trial. In this test, you record the time taken for a short distance sprint, such as 30 meters or 50 meters. This test measures your acceleration and speed, which are critical components of power. By performing these tests at regular intervals, you can track your progress. If your vertical jump height or sprint time is improving, it means your power training is effective. The results of these tests allow you to make necessary adjustments to your training program. The role of nutrition. For power development, not only training, but proper nutrition is equally important. Your muscles need the right nutrients for energy and repair. Protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Including protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, paneer, or protein shakes after training helps boost recovery and makes your muscles strong. Carbs, your body's primary energy source. For power-based workouts, you need to keep glycogen stores full. Include complex carbs like brown rice, oats, and sweet potatoes in your diet to provide long-lasting energy. Fats, healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and avocado are also important as they regulate hormones that support strength and recovery. Pre-workout meal. Have a balanced meal before training that is rich in carbs and protein, such as a banana with peanut butter or oats with milk. This gives you energy and delays fatigue. Post-workout meal. After a workout, a meal rich in protein and carbs speeds up recovery. For example, grilled chicken with rice, a protein shake with banana, or eggs with whole grain toast. Hydration is also a critical part of nutrition. Make sure to intake water and electrolytes during and after workouts to optimize your body's function. Consistency. Consistency is the most important factor in power development. Whether you're doing strength training, plyometrics, or speed drills, if you don't follow your routine consistently, you won't see progress. Make training a part of your daily schedule so that you can train your body for power development every day. Set a target to improve your strength, speed, and explosiveness each day. Recovery should be given equal importance. The harder you train, the more important it is to give your muscles time to repair. If you neglect recovery, the risk of overtraining and injuries increases. Gradually, you can increase your power when you consistently follow both your workouts and recovery plan. As long as you stay disciplined and committed, you will definitely see improvement in your power development. Conclusion. Power training can significantly improve your overall athletic performance. Whether you're a sprinter or a weightlifter, power enhances every move from explosive sprints to powerful lifts. Power is a combination of strength, speed, and explosiveness, giving every athlete a competitive edge. It enhances your endurance, prevents injuries, and helps you achieve maximum performance. So if you want to take your athletic career to the next level, start your power training today. With consistent effort and the right approach, you can unlock your full potential. Get ready to show your best performance.